You have been trying to lose weight for a long time and you've done everything, but your weight is not reducing. You don't know what is going wrong and you're looking for one-to-one personal guidance from a nutritionist. This video is for you. I have helped so many women with weight loss, women who have come to me saying, and I hardly eat anything, I hardly go out. But once they come in and once I start seeing their meal pictures, I understand that they are not being consistent. They think they're eating healthy, but they're not doing it on a regular basis. Sometimes a few mistakes you make once in a week or twice in a week can ruin the entire week's progress, which is why you need personal guidance. And if you think so, I want to invite you into my one-to-one coaching program where I will be helping you personally through your weight loss from day one to the last day. I'm going to tell you quickly in this video how to join, what transformation you can expect, what are the other benefits you will get, the duration, who can join, and everything. So keep watching till the very end. Once you join the program, you will get a consultation call within the first 24 working hours with me, where I will get to know about you, your eating habits, your lifestyle, and your food preferences. Based on everything that we talked about, I will be creating a meal plan for you for the first week. And we can start within the first 3 days of enrolling. I will be checking every single meal that you're having, your breakfast, your lunch, and dinner. So you will have to take pictures of your meals and send it to me so that I can review every one of them. You will get my review for all your meal pictures. Secondly, we will have a review call every single week where we will talk about your progress, your likes, your dislikes, what has to be changed, if any food that you like has to be included. I am quite flexible with your food habits, but there are certain rules I really want you to follow, which I will be talking about once you enroll. So you don't have to worry about your diet being too strict. It's a diet that you can follow for the rest of your life. It is not like a diet plan. It's like a lifestyle that you need to start adapting to. You will get WhatsApp support from me 6 days from morning to night every week. You can also call me anytime. So I will be like your personal nutritionist. You have full access to me 6 days a week, and even on the day off, you can call me if it is an emergency. What transformation you can expect between 0.5 to 1 kg weight loss per week, which is 2 to 4 kgs per month, and 6 to 12 kgs in 3 months. And along with weight loss, we will be working on your lifestyle transformation, which is my main goal. Because I don't want you to come join me, follow another diet plan, and go back, live your old lifestyle, gain all the weight back. That is not my intention. I really want you to change your lifestyle, adapt to healthier habits, so that you are a completely different person by the time you leave this program. Otherwise, what is the use of doing it? What is the use of all the money and all the time that you're spending if you don't change your lifestyle? You will also have other benefits. You will get my recorded program free of cost, where I will be teaching you how to lose weight, how to start working out, how to meal plan, how to meal prep, how to maintain your weight, and how to create your own meal plans. So this will be a recorded program that you can watch and learn at your own pace whenever you have time, and you can come revisit this course whenever you like. Along with the course, you will also get useful resources like a weight loss recipe book, trackers, meal planners, meal prep guide, and so many other resources. You will also get live coaching along with this recorded program every single week from me, where I will be teaching you all these things again live over a Zoom call. So the recorded program, the resources, live coaching, all of these are of lifetime validity. It is your free bonus if you join my one-to-one coaching program. So the duration of one-to-one coaching program will be for 3 months. As I told you, my focus along with weight loss is lifestyle transformation. I want you to learn healthy habits and live those healthy habits for 3 months under my guidance, so that once we finish it, you will continue in that same path. I don't want anyone coming to me, following a diet plan, and going back as the same person that they came in. So I will need at least 3 months to make some solid change in your lifestyle. Who can join my program? This program is only for women between the ages 18 and 39, women 40 and above. I would like to help you in person, not online. So that is why this program is only for women from 18 to 39 of age. And I want only people who can follow the following 3 conditions. The first one is, I need you to send me your weight update every single week. Secondly, I need all the 3 meal pictures every single day from day 1 to day 90. Your breakfast, your lunch and dinner. If you cannot take pictures and if you cannot send me your weight picture and your meal pictures, please do not enroll, because I will not be able to help you. I'm just being very clear, because without your meal pictures, I cannot see what you're eating. I cannot tell you what changes you need to make. So this is a very important thing for me. And thirdly, no quitting halfway. Once you join the program, I want you to complete all the 3 months. So if you're ready to work with me for 3 months continuously, then you can enroll in this program. How to join the weight loss program? I will leave a link to my one-to-one coaching program in the description below. Please check the description. The link is also available in my profile. Check the links in my profile and you will find my one-to-one coaching program, and you can click on it and join immediately. I want to tell you that there are very limited slots because I will be personally handling you. I want to give my full attention to every single client, and there are only so many clients that I can handle. So the number of seats are very limited. If the slots are filled up, there is another link to a form which you can click, fill the form and get on the wait list. So once the slots free up, I will contact you through email or your phone number. That is all I wanted to talk about this program. If you have any questions or you have any doubts, please leave them in the comments below. I will reply to all of you, or you can send me an email to this email ID and I will get back to you. I am very serious about coaching women, helping them with their weight loss and lifestyle transformation. So if you are serious about weight loss, please enroll. If you're not serious, you just want to give it a try, you're going to see if it's going to work or not, then this is not the program for you. Because I am confident that every single person that comes into this program will leave with lifestyle change and solid weight loss. There is no doubt about it. So only if you're serious about weight loss and you're committed to it, please enroll, and I am there to help you every single day, every single step of the way.